Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Slidebreak Spring. Technically what we're actually going to do is Slidebreak Walkaround Spring, and the spring can be used in lots and lots of different situations. So this is just a really easy way of learning the technique. Obviously, Slidebreak or a Slidebreak Walkaround in your repertoire already be really useful. Link in the description below. But assuming that's there already, let's jump in. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Ready to go off into any kind of right-handed move. So first off, the setup. Semicircle back, 2 hands, standard slide break, walking the lady forwards, hands go wide, right goes over the lady, left goes over the guy. We hang on for a second, which starts us into a walking rotation, then we can let go. That will carry on as long as we want. What's going to happen though is at some point, guys, we're going to give the ladies a little push, so we start to slide away from each other. Now normally, you would just slide out and end up at the hand, okay? But what we're going to do on this occasion is we're going to be sliding away. We're going to drop our hand underneath behind the lady's elbow. The lady's hand will stay on us, and as we move away, what that means is we've got a way of bringing the lady back towards us, and we're going to do exactly that. So we bring the lady in, and what we've just done is we've just compressed the lady's frame, and the lady would like that hand further away from her than it is, which means if I do nothing except release at this point, the lady's frame will spring back and the lady will move away. If she's got a really springy frame, that'll be plenty. If the lady's not pushing into you as hard as maybe you would expect, you can always give a little push with the arm as well to boost the spring back. But ideally the lady's frame should have enough oomph in it to send her away. What we've done is we've stored a lead in the springiness of the lady's frame. Okay, so let's talk numbers, because this is a walk around move. You could walk for as long as you like, you could take more time, you could even hold the lady in the spring as you continue to walk around and then release, kind of like popping a cork at the appropriate point. So you can, I don't want to say fire the lady, but you can aim the lady into a gap on a dance floor, which is quite useful. So we go back to 2 hands. 1, we're coming over the heads. 2, we're going to walk for 3. In freestyle, obviously, you can aim for gaps, so how long you walk for will be up to you. We're going to slide away for 4. We're going to catch the lady and come back in for 5 and spring away for 6. You could take a lot more time over this. So let's see how we do. 5, 6, 7 and 8. We go back, combs, walk, out, in and out, and that's it. That's the simple version. You could use this same spring off things like a chest slide or anything where the lady's going to be going away and you can pop back in to spring away. Lots of versatility there. So thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. When the little windows come up in the last few seconds of the video, there will be a music recommendation of something nice to practice to. We'll see you next time. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.